ISTE Standard 4A, we had to first conduct a needs assessment survey to assess the needs of the adult learners within the school system to prepare for an online professional development course. My needs assessment survey included questions that were provided by the professor, of which included how are the professional development learning needs of adult learners determined in the school, the 5 professional learning needs of educators in the department, grade level, or area. They also had to answer the role that technology plays in supporting professional learning, the top 5 technology-focused learning issues for students and teachers at our particular school, and what type of needs assessments are conducted to obtain teachers' opinions and perspectives towards their professional learning needs. Also, they had to answer if technology was viewed as a resource or an issue within the school, and given the recent COVID-19 shutdown, top 3 related skills teachers needed to have starting in the fall semester. This was the needs assessments that we had to complete for our first assignment. We also, under the Standard 4A, had to do a pre-PD planning where we had to identify a minimum of 3 technology-focused areas of improvement, of which I chose technology integration, digital tools, a technology plan, and accommodations for ESL. Also, to identify ISTE standards that could be met through the professional development course and training that would be provided. So I would plan a professional development session to secure a strong understanding of Google Classroom instruction, as well as other applications such as Nearpod and Schoology, of which they are using for the fall 2020-2021 school year. Lastly, under ISTE 4A, we had to also do an alignment table to begin talking about the course level objectives as well as the module objectives that would be used to help create our PD course. 1A, which was set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches. The module objectives, educators will collaborate within the department. 2B, advocate for equitable access to educational technology, digital content, and learning to meet the needs of diverse students. The educators will research digital tools and assistive technology that will help complement diverse learners in our schools. 5A, use technology to create, adapt, and personalize learning experiences. And the educators, I will have them train on different digital applications and tools to increase student learning. Lastly, 7B, use technology to design and implement a variety of formative and summative assessments. I would introduce educators to tools that will move them from traditional assessment to digital assessment.